I want you to be very observant as you watch YouTube, you go on Instagram, go look at the people that are making the most amount of money. What are they selling? Coaching, courses, some sort of digital product, some sort of ebook, some sort of mini tool, some sort of AI version of themselves for a subscription. All of these people are selling knowledge. They're in the knowledge business. And that is exactly what you are going to help these micro creators do. And you're gonna do it using AI. And also the beautiful thing is the reason they have their audience in the first place is because they're experts or they're passionate about a topic. They have knowledge about a topic. So it's very easy to package that up into an info product, a digital product, a coaching program, whatever it is. And I'm gonna give you a real world example here. Let's take a creator with 30,000 followers. And let's say that you don't close this partnership at a 50-50 split. Let's say you have a 70-30 split with this creator, as in they keep 70% and you only keep 30%. And let's say that instead of 2% of their audience buying, let's say things go horribly and only 1% of their audience buys. Just to give you context, that means that 99% of the audience that knows, likes, and trusts them. Remember, this isn't someone with 7 million followers that has random people throughout the years. This is a tight-knit community. And 99% of the community go, you know what, actually, I don't want to buy this. So only 1% of their audience buys. And let's say you make the product very cheap. Now, in this space of coaching, courses, info products, digital products, selling anything for under $1,000 is considered cheap in the knowledge industry. So let's say you help them launch a product for $150. Well, in that case, that's 300 people buying a $150 product, and that is $45,000. And that means $45,000 in earnings. Your portion, $13,500. And that is from one partnership on month one. That partnership keeps going. You think when that micro creator makes $45,000 in a month, they're gonna stop promoting and they're gonna stop selling the product that you guys built together using their knowledge combined with some AI tools that you're gonna bring to the table? Now, I know what you're thinking, well, why would a creator partner with me? Why would they not? Remember, guys, we're not being delusional here. We're not saying, oh, go to someone with 17 million followers and help them. And we're also not saying go to someone who already is involved in the industry. I'm not saying you go to someone who's already making $5 million a year and help them make more money. Because remember, what you're doing in that situation, let's say a big creator is only making $1 million a year with their course, their digital product, their info product, however they structured their knowledge business. Well, in that case, you basically have to take them from a 7 out of 10 to a 9 out of 10. And that's a lot of work. Okay, you have to improve what they're already doing. But when you go with micro creators, you're not selling, okay? You're presenting a new opportunity. You're helping them make money that they wouldn't have had without you. When you tackle the part of the business that they don't want to, which is monetizing, and by the way, this is very easy to do these days with AI. We're gonna touch on it a little later.